dessert so bad I can smell it, taste it, my heart is pounding, because I love grilling desserts.
I'd like to think I'd go into the next round. You never count your chickens till you got them in a basket and hatch.